is the first episode on Village TV special, and our guests are two amazing people from the villages of Karnataka, the Kannadigas, techies turned farmers, and it is my privilege to introduce them. Now, first of all, Wilfred Fernandez from Kinigoli, village of Dakshina Kannada district, worked in Abu Dhabi and all other emirates of UAE as IT administrator for 15 years. Chose to be a farmer, which he was always, but this time, thanks to lockdown and pandemic, he has composed music for 3 Konkani devotional songs albums, choir master for many parishes in India, and also St. Joseph's Cathedral, Abu Dhabi Konkani choir as choir master for 13 years. With a literary bent of mind, he had written poems and articles. So let's welcome Wilfie, a guitarist, musician, singer, writer, poet, IT engineer, and now farmer. What are your first thoughts, Wilfie?
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, everybody.
Yeah.
Coming live on News Karnataka, it's amazing feeling. It makes immense pleasure. I haven't thought of this when I started farming. As you already shown, thanks to lockdown, I must say, even though it's not that very good, but to count on bad things, there are always so many things. But the good part of whatever it has happened globally, what I could see is a lot of youngsters getting into back to what they were doing earlier, and I was one among them. I never thought of that I will be telecasted like this, even though I had another opportunity to go on a studio and get live. Yeah, it's an amazing happiness, and it's a great feeling.
Tell us about your early days of village life. Unless you have the vibes for the nature, you cannot become techie to farmer.
Yeah, surely it was almost same as what Nishant said. I was also born, even though I was born in Bombay.
Yeah.
We moved to Kinigoli, and this is where I was brought up, my early education and everything. And we have a close bond to farming and agriculture, and we had a lot of cattle and all. So the whole childhood, you can say, it was even the holidays and all. It was not a tour or trip. It was a daily moment with the agriculture and farming. So this is where it's a tight bond with the farming and agriculture. And this time it helped me because there was a passion for that. Even though I was a musician and all, so, this agriculture is a passion, and that's what where I started, and it was really happy.
You are a multi-talented, a guitarist, musician, singer, writer, poet, and then an IT engineer. What made you to leave your job overseas and do farming and agriculture?
Actually, I didn't leave the job. I came on vacation, and then something happened, and the early people who have left, they got the notice. So I was here, and I couldn't go back early, even though I had offers. And that rain started, and thought, okay, no music, which I have already done 3 albums. For the time being, it's enough, and I could see everybody was posting the videos and new songs, and something was the other in digital world only. So I thought, okay, let me go to the environment, and 20 years of barren land we had, because after I moved, nobody was there. My parents are old, and nobody was here to continue this farming. And definitely Nishan will also agree with me that labor shortage is too much here, and that was one of the point we left farming and agriculture. And this time, since I was here, I made a point, okay, somehow I could get people and get this done. And because now there is plenty machinery also, so labor shortage is not that much.
Basically, you use your technology. You used your technology in farming.
Yes, quite a bit. I have used a lot, even though initially for cultivating that we had a tractor and all this, all everybody could use. But later, because of my fields are near to forest and a lot of wild animals, so I used a lot of new techniques, which I had brought from some wireless speaker from Dubai. I put my own, music, and somehow I was shouting. I recorded on the mobile. I put it on the USB flash disk and go to that speaker. And I used to go every evening and tie that to one scarecrow, which I had done. It is one of the things which all villagers are doing,
Right.
to scare the wild animals, and they will be a little away. And I put
Okay.
that inside his pot, so so it looks like he is shouting. The scarecrow
Yeah.
is talking. And